So we had a battle this morning here between Christmas tree Baler and Christmas tree Stump. Stump won. One of our guys drove the Baler right into this stump and really did a lot of damage. And we're going to try to get this out of the field back up to my shop so we can patch it up. So we actually have the logging arch here from the lumber business on the tractor, and we're going to try to get this chained up and drug out of here. Well, it's chained up and there it goes. Hopefully it makes it. We'll take it up to the shop, weld it up, make her good as new. Well, after about 2 hours of fabrication and welding and a brand new tire, we got her ready to roll. So she's ready to go back out into the field. You can fix just about anything with enough scrap steel and a welder. Catch you guys later.